Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review and first impression slash tutorial on the brand new collaboration with ColourPop and rawbeautykristi. I was able to get everything in the collection, which I am super excited for. I got the palettes, I got all four of the Super Shock shadows, the lip glosses, and the 3 eyeliners, which I just lost the green one. So yeah, today we're just going to be playing with makeup, and I'm going to tell you guys what my thoughts are. Do I think this collaboration is worth it or not? I did buy this with my own money. I don't get PR from ColourPop, so this is my personal raw opinion. See what I did there? No? Okay. So that is it for that, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video, this tutorial. If you guys like videos like these where I do first impressions on collaborations or just makeup in general, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel so you never miss any of my videos. And without further ado, let's go ahead and start with this tutorial because I am super excited. So the eyelids are prepped and primed just to save some time. Ooh, that kind of rhymed. Prepped and primed just to save some time. Okay, so I'm not going to give you guys details and like swatches and things like that of the collection because she did do a video on it and I don't want to be repetitive. So we're just going to jump right into the tutorial again to save some time and because I just really am too anxious. So oh, this palette is gorgeous. Like, it just screams fall to me. It's so pretty. Let me say, I love rawbeautykristi. I love how genuine she is. I love how creative she is. Like, I really look up to her as an influencer. So I think I'm going to stick with obviously like the green since I am wearing a green sweater. Let's see what color we go in with first. I'm going to start with the shade Fiddlehead, which is this gorgeous green. And I'm just going to take that on a Morphe M505. And this is going to be like the transitional shade. I'm going to try not to make this too complicated, but I still want to make it super me, which is a glam. That's a pretty color. This is going to work as like our transitional shade. And I'm applying this like pretty much all over the outer corner of the eye. And I'm going to bring that in. So far, this color is really pretty. Greens sometimes can get a little bit patchy. And then when you mix them with other colors, they tend to like skip. So we're going to see how it performs with other colors with it. But we're going to go ahead and blend this. So this palette doesn't have a brow bone color. You guys know that I love applying a matte off-white shade on the brow bone. It just makes the blending process a little bit easier and it helps with any like messes. So I'm just going to use the setting powder that I was using earlier. It's a pressed powder, this one right here. And I'm just going to quickly set the brow bone. Like I said, this helps me just to keep the colors nice and low and not bringing them up too high. And it really does make it a little bit easier for your shadows to blend right here. Okay, that is good enough for me. I'm going to like messily add Chanterelle, which is this gorgeous yellow golden color. By the way, this green is just so pretty and it's blending out super nice. I'm just going to take it on a fluffy Morphe M441. And I don't want to apply too much color. I just want it to like peek through the green. So I'm just going to add it just right here at the very edge of Fiddlehead. I believe some of these, if not most of these, are like mushroom named shadows. I love mushrooms. My 7-year-old loves mushrooms, which is weird. Like usually kids don't like mushrooms. But yeah, I love mushrooms. They're so yummy. Especially with like the Chinese food. These colors are blending like butter together, you guys. I really, really like it. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of Emerald City, which is a similar green. It's just a little bit deeper. And I just really want to add this right here, just to bring a little more color into the look. That is so pretty. And I'm just going to add this on the very outer corner. I'm not going to bring this in. Like I said, I really just want to keep this in the outer corner of the eye. These colors together are so pretty. I'm not having any issues with them like bleeding together, if that makes sense. Sometimes certain greens just don't mesh, and you'll see a little bit of like lines where they just skip. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'm not seeing any of that. I mean, ColourPop's formula honestly is really, really good, so I really wasn't expecting anything less, but I like it. I like it so far. I'm going to go ahead and do my cut crease, and then I'm going to go back with Emerald City, and I'm going to apply that to the outermost corner of the eye right here. Since the base is still wet, these are really, really, really going to pop. But honestly, like, they don't even need a wet base. Like, these are doing the work all on their own. And I'm going to drag that in. And I am applying more product, digging my brush every time. And then, like, dragging it in. And then taking Fiddlehead. This is like my favorite color in the entire palette. It is so, so pretty. And that's going to go right after Emerald City. I added a little bit of chanterelle into the mix. I know it looks a little like crazy, but I promise it's going to look cute at the end. Now I'm going to go back with the palette, and I'm going to take the shade Evergreen, which is a beautiful like duochrome color. I'm going to get my brush wet to make sure that I get the most pigmentation out of everything. So this is so pretty, and this is going to go in the inner corner or the inner part of the eye. That's pretty. And I'm just kind of like blending that backwards, because I just wanted to point out that I've had a little to like no fallouts with this eyeshadow palette, which is a A+ for me. It does have some like kick up in the actual palette, but on my skin, like, I literally don't see any fallout at all. I'm going to take the Super Shock shadow in the shade Like a Moss, which is this beautiful shade, and I'm just going to apply it on the top. I feel like these perform better with your fingers, honestly, but I have long fingernails and it's hard. Oh, that is so pretty. I do like this one though. This color is so pretty. For the waterline, I'm going to go in with this shade. I am curious to see how this is going to look. I feel like this is not a color that I personally would gravitate towards, just because it's a yellow, and I feel like yellow brings out yellow. And I don't have the whitest of eyes. I do have a little bit of yellow in my eyes. Is it just me? But we're going to try it. This one is called Marigold. And I'm going to make sure that I don't get my skin dirty. I'm going to pop this in the waterline. Okay, it's actually really pretty. I know this is like a TMI, but this color literally reminds me of the color of my baby's poop right now. He's 1 month old, and if you guys are moms, you guys know what I mean. Like, when they are a little bit, when they're still little, like, their poop is like mustard yellow. I'm gonna take that shade Chanterelle, and I'm gonna apply it on the lower lash line. Okay, that actually looks really cute. Now I'm going to go in, let me see. Yeah, I'm going to go in with the shade Olympic, which is a pretty, it's like a beigey white. And I'm going to pop that into the inner corner of the eye just for a little extra something, something. Ooh, this is pretty. Oh, I like this one. This one definitely is my favorite so far. Oh my gosh. This is stunning. So the eyes are done. I'm going to go ahead and pop on some lashes off camera and we can come back and try the last products, which are the lip glosses. But you guys, so far I am loving this palette. The colors blend beautifully. I will definitely be posting another look with this for Makeup Monday because I can already see another look in mind, and I really, really wanted to use this campfire shade. It's a gorgeous, oh, that is so pretty. So definitely keep an eye out for Makeup Monday, but I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and popped on some lashes. I also added a little bit of an eyeliner if you guys are interested in the lashes and the lipstick combo that I am wearing. I will have it in the description box down below. Now for the lip gloss, I'm kind of in between. Oh, I kind of want to go with this one, but I kind of want to go with this one. Maybe I can add this one on the bottom and then add the clear gloss on top. So this one is called Wildflower, and it's like a very soft pink. Ooh, I love this formula. I don't think I've tried these glosses from ColourPop. I actually haven't tried any of their stuff in a hot minute, which is why I was really excited to buy this collection. I'm going to top it off with a glacier, and I'm just going to add this in the center. Ooh, that's pretty. I knew I was going to love this gloss when I saw her swatching it. Yeah, that is so glossy. It does give you a little bit of a, well, a lot of shine. It's like sparkly, but it's not glittery. I love that. And here you have the final look, you guys. What do you think of this palette? Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with everything, you guys. I actually ended up using a little bit of the shade Olympic on the tops of the cheekbones, and it just gives you the most gorgeous, like, sparkly, blinding highlight topper ever. This is such a pretty color. I didn't think it was going to look good on my skin, but definitely Brown Biscuit approved. I really like this palette, you guys. I definitely love the gloss. I think this has to be like my favorite formula that I've ever tried as far as like ColourPop's glosses. The palette, ni se diga, I love it, you guys. I am definitely going to use it for Makeup Monday. So like I said, keep an eye on that. And yeah, I really, really like this collaboration. I think she did outstanding with the palettes, the colors, the color selection, just everything. It's just so pretty, and it's perfect for like the season, fall/winter. So congratulations to Kristi. I wish you so much more success, and girl, you killed it with this collab. So thank you guys so much for being here today. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. As always, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and if you guys end up recreating this look, make sure you're tagging me on Instagram so I can see your guys' looks and repost them on my stories. Thank you guys for being here. I love you all. Stay blessed, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.